Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore project templates in Notion for US teams, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Notion and ensure you are logged into your account. Locate the workspace where your project templates are stored. Navigate to the sidebar on the left of your screen. Click on the Templates button at the bottom of the sidebar. In the Templates menu, search for the specific project template you want to restore. If the template is not visible, click on the trash icon at the bottom of the menu. In the trash section, review the list of deleted templates. Identify the project template you wish to restore. Hover over the template and click on the Restore option that appears. Confirm the restoration if prompted by Notion. Once restored, return to your main workspace. Go to the section of your workspace where you want to use the template. Click on the New Page button or the plus sign to create a new page. In the new page, select templates from the options available. Find your restored project template in the list. Click on the template to apply it to your new page. Review the template to ensure everything is in place. Make any necessary adjustments to personalize it for your current project. Lastly, share it with your team if required for collaboration. Your project template is now successfully restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.